Hello friends, welcome back. So you can see we have our main activity here, and you can see it's pretty normal, right? Let's go through this. We have a linear layout here. Our we have a coordinate layout, and we have a context of main activity. Both are like match parent. We have id main here. Now inside that we have a linear layout. Inside linear layout we have a recycler view, right? Now after this linear layout, we have a text input layout and text input edit text, right? You can see the preview here. So what's the problem we are facing in this? Let's see, right? So run this first. It's launching on device, successfully launched. Okay, here it's launched. You can see we have nothing in the recycler view, and here we have a right query or text view. But the problem I'm facing is when we click on this text view, you can see the soft input. It's going over this text view, and text view is not visible anymore. Whenever I will click it, you can see the soft input is going over the text view, and nothing is visible. Text input layout and nothing is visible, right? So that's like a problem with that we are going to solve in this video. So that's really easy. Nothing which we need is to change it here. We will have to just go to the manifest. Okay, here you can see our manifest. Here we have working on our main activity main.xml. Just we have our main activity here, and exported is equal to true. We just need to add one simple line here, that is soft input mode. And in the soft input mode we need to add this one, adjust pan, right? And after adding this we just need to add this single line in our android manifest xml inside our activity on which we are facing this kind of issue. So after just close it up, we don't need that anymore, and we relaunch the application and wait, right? So it's terminating the app, it's launching, and it's launching still. You can see installed. So it's starting, and here we have our main activity again, but this time when we try to write, you can see our text input layout here. Our text input edit text is going up with the soft input, right? Soft keyboard input. So we can write anything if we want, and that is completely visible. Our like text input layout is completely visible, not going in the back. Just click on it and you can see it's now solved. So our issue is solved now. So how we solve that? By adding this single line, right? So that was the solution for that problem. Hope this video helped you, and hope you like the video and subscribe my channel. And we hope we will see more tutorial like this in future. Thank you so much.